Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use the Canva mobile app for beginners. Starting can feel overwhelming, but it's simple. So first open the Canva app and log in. After that, tap on the plus create button, and then to create a new design and choose a template. Let's say you want to make something about social media, and then choose a template from here. Let's say this one. After that, add text, images and graphics from the toolbar, and then use drag and drop feature to arrange the elements. After that, download your after you are done, then just click on here and then save as image, and that's it. Avoid using sensitive or personal images in public templates. Quick fix if designs aren't saving. Quick check your iPhone storage and free up space, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.